Car prices are out of control, and some deals are just unbelievable. Today, we're diving into 19 overpriced cars that dealers are pushing with insane markups and poor value. Trust me, some of these will shock you. The worst part? People are still buying them, but you don't have to be one of them. Stick around until the end, because the last car on this list is so surprising, it might make you rethink your next purchase. Skip this video, and you might end up overpaying for a car you'll regret. Let's get started. Starting at number 19 is the Porsche Macan. Dealers often sell it well above the manufacturer's suggested retail price, adding thousands to the original price. The base Macan starts at $62,900, but it's hardly ever sold for that price. The upgrades make it even pricier. The T starts at $68,500. The S is priced at $74,500. The GTS hits $89,000. Why the high price? It's a Porsche. Brand prestige drives the cost up. But let's be real, it's a smaller SUV that lacks the practicality you'd expect. Its interior space and cargo capacity fall short compared to rivals. Even basic features like advanced safety tech aren't standard. Competitors like BMW, Audi, and Mercedes offer more for less. The new, fully electric generation pushes the price even higher. While it's sporty and luxurious, the cost of upgrades can spiral out of control. The Macan may seem appealing, but it's often considered overpriced for what it delivers. Up next at number 18 is the Audi Q5. Starting at $51,400, the Audi Q5 isn't cheap, and dealers often mark it up as well. Why? It combines luxury, performance, and a sleek design, but some argue that the price doesn't justify what you get. The Q5's interior is nice, with tech features like a digital cockpit and advanced driver aids, but compared to competitors, it lacks some standard features you'd expect at this price. The ride is smooth and the handling solid, but it's not exactly thrilling. For a luxury SUV, it feels more practical than exciting. Brands like BMW and Lexus offer better value with a similar experience. Still, the Q5 holds its own, but its price tag raises some eyebrows. At number 17 is the Land Rover Range Rover. It's no surprise that the Range Rover makes this list. The base SE model starts at $107,900, and the top-tier SV comes in at a staggering $209,000. But dealerships, they often sell them for even more. Why is it so expensive? Luxury, prestige, and off-road capability. The Range Rover is loaded with high-end features like massaging seats, premium leather, and cutting-edge infotainment systems. It also boasts excellent off-road performance with advanced suspension systems and terrain management modes. That engineering doesn't come cheap. The Range Rover carries a premium brand reputation, and people pay for that. Not everyone thinks it's worth it. The tech can be complex, and maintenance costs are high. For some buyers, that's a deal breaker. Consumer Reports even ranks it among the worst cars that hardly anyone buys. Number 16 is the Mercedes-Benz GLC class. Starting at $49,250, it's a bit cheaper than the Audi Q5, but still a steep price. The GLC offers a premium experience with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The Mercedes badge adds to its appeal, providing luxury status. While the GLC is solid, it's not perfect. Its performance and ride quality are smooth, but it doesn't stand out in the crowded luxury SUV market. For a similar price, the Genesis GV70 offers better value with comparable luxury and tech, but with a more modern design and a more comfortable ride. The GLC might appeal to Mercedes loyalists, but if you're looking for a great deal, the GV70 is a better option. At number 15 is the BMW X5. This German luxury SUV starts at $66,700 and delivers great driving dynamics, but for many, the price isn't justified. While it's packed with technology and comfort features, it's not the best value in its class. Competitors like the Volvo XC90 offer more space and better tech for less money. The BMW X5 still has brand appeal and excellent driving experience, but when compared to others in its class, it doesn't stand out as much as its price suggests. Next at number 14 is the Tesla Model Y. It's one of the most popular electric cars out there, but despite its popularity, it's still overpriced. The base MSRP starts at $46,000, but dealers often add an extra $2,500 due to high demand. This inflated price has contributed to a drop in sales for 2024. While the Model Y offers strong electric performance and tech features, it faces stiff competition from more affordable options like the Kia EV9, Volvo EX30, and Hyundai Ioniq 5. Many buyers are now questioning if the Model Y justifies the premium price over these solid competitors. At number 13 is the Ford F-150. The F-150 is a popular truck, but with increasing prices, especially for the higher trims with luxury features, the cost is becoming hard to justify. The base model starts at $33,000, but with luxury trims, it can easily surpass $70,000. The high cost reflects advanced technology, engineering, and features. Competitors like the Toyota Tundra and Ram 1500 offer similar capabilities at lower prices. The F-150 still stands out for performance, but at these prices, it's worth questioning the value. Number 12 is the Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Known for its power and durability, the Silverado 1500 is another popular American truck, but it's also becoming more expensive. The base model starts at $36,000, and when you add features, it can reach over $70,000. Like the F-150, the higher cost is due to advanced technology and luxury upgrades, but rivals like the Chevy Colorado offer similar features at a better price. The Silverado 1500 is a solid choice, but at these prices, you might wonder if it's worth it. At number 11 is the Honda Passport. Starting at $41,900, the Passport is a rugged version of the smaller CR-V, but it lacks some key features like third-row seating and larger cargo space. While it has strong towing capabilities and a reputation for reliability, its high price feels questionable when compared to rivals like the Subaru Outback and Toyota Venza. The Passport is a solid SUV, but it doesn't offer the same value at that price. Number 10 is the Toyota 4Runner. The price of the 4Runner has been climbing fast, with dealers marking it up by $3,000 over MSRP. The 4Runner is known for its rugged reliability and off-road capabilities, but the high price makes it hard to justify for some buyers, especially with limited availability and outdated features compared to rivals like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler. The 4Runner is perfect for Toyota fans. The price increase might not make sense. At number 9 is the Kia Seltos Hybrid, a compact SUV that's in high demand, but dealers are selling it for about $2,800 over MSRP due to limited supply. The Seltos Hybrid offers great fuel efficiency and a stylish design, but with high demand and a premium price, it may not be worth it for many buyers. Competitors like the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid or Honda HR-V Hybrid could offer a better deal. Number 8 is the Toyota Camry. Starting at over $30,000, the Toyota Camry is becoming harder to justify, with dealers marking it up by around $2,600. While it's reliable, fuel-efficient, and well-built, it lacks excitement and modern features compared to rivals like the Honda Accord and Mazda 6. The high demand makes it harder to find, and dealers are charging a premium. There are better options available for the price. At number 7 is the Kia Sportage Hybrid. Dealers are marking up the Sportage Hybrid by about $2,500 over MSRP due to limited availability. Starting around $30,000, it's fuel efficient, but the interior feels cramped and the tech is underwhelming for the price. Competitors like the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid or Honda CR-V Hybrid offer better interiors and tech for a similar price. Number 6 is the Kia K5. Starting at around $25,000, the Kia K5 is a sporty sedan, but dealers are charging about $2,200 over MSRP. The K5 looks great, but for the price, it lacks the advanced tech and premium materials that its competitors offer, like the Toyota Camry or Honda Accord. If you're looking for a mid-size sedan with better value, the K5 doesn't quite cut it. Number 5 is the Toyota Sienna. The starting price of $35,000 is already high for a minivan, and dealers are charging around $2,000 over MSRP. While the Sienna is reliable and practical for families, It lacks luxury and advanced features compared to the Honda Odyssey. Its hybrid engine is great for fuel efficiency, but for many families, the high price just doesn't justify the value. At number 4 is the Toyota Highlander. Starting at over $40,000 with an average markup of $2,000, the Highlander is popular for its reliability, but its interior feels basic for the price. The tech is decent, but not cutting edge. Competing models like the Honda Pilot and Ford Edge offer more features and a more premium feel for a similar price. At number 3 is the Nissan Kicks. Starting at just over $20,000, the Nissan Kicks is an affordable option, and outdated tech with limited power, a cramped interior, and outdated tech. Rivals like the Hyundai Kona and Honda HR-V offer more space and better value. Even with a lower price, the Kicks doesn't seem to be worth it for many buyers. Number 2 is the Ford Maverick. Starting at around $20,000, the Ford Maverick was supposed to be the most affordable pickup, but dealers are marking it up by about $1,600. The build quality feels cheap, and the interior lacks refinement compared to other trucks like the Hyundai Santa Cruz. While the Maverick is a budget-friendly option, its compromises make it hard to justify the price. And finally, at number 1 is the Toyota Corolla. Dealers are marking it up by a shocking $11,000 over MSRP. While the Corolla is reliable and fuel efficient, the newer models feel overpriced for what they offer. Rivals like the Honda Civic and Mazda 3 provide better features and a more premium feel. The Corolla remains solid, but at these prices, there are better options out there. And that wraps up our list of the most overpriced cars with the worst deals right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Click the link below to watch our next video.